Hi, I'm Andrea Beaulieu. Are you used to giving reports in meetings? And sometimes those reports can just feel dry, right? It's like snooze. So you might be thinking, how can I bring more life into that? How can I get more creative with this? Maybe have a little bit more fun. Well, here's one suggestion I have for you. Use props. Okay, make something tangible. So for instance, perhaps you're talking about mental fitness. How do I noodle something a little bit more? How do I bring that sage brain in? Okay, here's a sage brain pop. You might not want to put something on your head, but this is something fun to demonstrate. What does that look like? Okay, let's connect into that mental fitness of yours. Or perhaps you're doing something that's around a holiday. This is, okay, St. Patrick's Day. Maybe you do this and you give somebody else an opportunity to use this wonderful thing, right? Or, and this is one I used to use all the time, do something where I was telling a story and I talked about when I looked a little bit different than I do now. And I had this whole thing where I had like a rocker blonde permed hair, okay? Now, I don't mind having people laugh a little bit at my expense in terms of using a prop, but this is a way to bring more fun and have some humor in it. One last example, and this is something everyone can do. I'm kind of known for my pipe cleaners. I set these out with every training so people can make things out of these. And at the end, you get to see what have they made. And what we know is when people do things with their hands, they're able to think more clearly. So this is something you can do. Just set something out for people to play with and then share what they did. And it just brings that creative space into whatever it is that you're doing. So if you're doing reports on a regular basis and everything feels just a little bit dry, consider props. Take that to heart. See how you can make it more fun. Something you like to do that would engage your audience. I'd love to support you. Please contact me, Andrea at andreabeaulieu.com. And in the meantime, be safe, be well. See ya.